Here we have the Wii Flea with Aero Ace components. We're going to try and get a little shots indoors here. Here we go.
Might get some decent footage. This angle seems to help a bit.
See, I don't know why it keeps doing that. It always... Okay, as you saw in a right-hand turn, it likes to go, once it gets into a right-hand turn, it just goes to the ground once it gets over so far. So I'm not sure what's happening there. Dan, maybe you can, maybe you see something that I don't see. I'm not real familiar with this type of airframe.